Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and replace the wheel stud that was broken on this 2008 Toyota Camry. So the first thing we did, we removed the caliper. There's two bolts, top and then bottom. It removes. I hung it on the top. There's a hose on the back that brings the brake fluid into the caliper. So we hung it away from the rotor, and now I smacked the back of the rotor gently with a hammer, and now the rotor is loose. If you can see here, this is where we're going to remove the wheel stud. We're going to go ahead and align it to that hole and just pop these out, and then we're going to bring the wheel stud, the new one, bring it in through here into the hole. Alright, so now we have our new wheel studs here. Now we have this little space where we can go ahead and just throw it in the hole. And now we need to make sure this is flushed. So the way we're going to do that is with this wheel stud installer.